The world's costliest construction mistakes. We all make mistakes every once in a while. Learn from your mistakes is what one is usually comforted with after messing something up. Some mistakes can be found to be quite expensive, costing billions of dollars, or could be even worse with lives at risk. Architecture and construction are some of those fields where even a minimal inaccuracy can end up calamitous. In this video, we explore 6 of the most expensive construction blunders witnessed globally. 1. Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington. Built in 1940 as a twin-suspension bridge spanning the Tacoma Narrows Strait in Washington, USA. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge was a marvel of its time. Despite its $6 million construction cost, equivalent to $1 billion today, the bridge collapsed after a mere 4 months and 7 days due to engineering flaws. Dangerous winds caused it to buckle and sway, culminating in its collapse into the river. Thankfully, no lives were lost, but the incident prompted a re-evaluation of construction practices, introducing the concept of wind theory oscillations. 2. The Aon Center. Originally known as the Amaco Building, the Aon Center in Chicago was constructed in 1974 and featured a distinctive cladding of Carrara marble. However, the thinness of the material led to cracks and detachment, prompting a costly makeover in the 1990s. The replacement of marble with granite incurred an exorbitant $80 million expense, making it a substantial construction mistake. 3. 20 Fenchurch Street. Completed in 2014, the commercial structure at 20 Fenchurch Street in London, nicknamed the Walkie-Talkie, it turned out to be an expensive construction blunder. The building's glass facade acted as a concave mirror, reflecting sunlight onto the street for about 2 hours daily, causing extreme heat and damage. Remedying this architectural flaw cost approximately £10 million, earning the tower the additional moniker of the Walkie-Scorchy. 4. Sydney Opera House. Despite its global admiration, the Sydney Opera House faced planning and construction challenges. Originally budgeted at $7 million Australian dollars and slated for completion in 4 years, it took 14 years and a total cost of $14 million Australian dollars. Acoustical flaws and improper planning led to an additional expenditure of nearly $300 million Australian dollars to rectify the Opera House's layout and stage production halls. 5. Seongsa Bridge Collapse. In 1994, the central section of Seoul's Seongsa Bridge collapsed into the Han River, claiming 31 lives. Engineering flaws combined with the bridge's incapacity to bear the load of heavy vehicles led to the catastrophe. The aftermath included a $185,000 compensation for lives lost and $2 million in repair costs, revealing neglected repairs and scheduled maintenance. 6. Lotus Riverside Disaster. In Shanghai's Lotus Riverside residential complex, a 13-story building collapsed in 2009 due to shoddy foundations and non-compliance with construction standards. While most residents evacuated in time, one construction worker lost their life. Developers faced losses of up to $30 million, compensating homeowners and covering construction expenses, highlighting the consequences of prioritizing speed over quality in construction.